that way. At the Y tree, you turn right. This sucks. Here we are at FCC Rapids. One needs to get in here. So, here we go.